Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to change language on Shape. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. It's pretty quick and easy to change language on your Shopee. In order to do so, click open your web browser. Let me open Google Chrome for my video, and once you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in shopee.com and choose your country or your region from the display options, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that there is a pop-up at the upper right corner where you can select your language. You can simply change to your desired language by simply selecting from the pop-up. If you want to change it to English, then simply click on the English button. You can see that the language on the display has been changed. If you want to change to other languages, then click on this button that says Translate this page at the upper right and click on the three dots. Click on Choose another language, and from the drop-down select a language of your choice. After you do that, click on Translate, and there you go. There are multitudes of languages available. Simply click on the drop-down and you can scroll through the options and choose your preferred language. That is how you can easily change language on Shopee. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.